What's up guys, Presley Yong here, back for another video, and of course Apple surprised us by releasing iOS 14.4 beta 2 to the developers and also private betas. So yeah, let's talk about what is new about this device. So before I start this video, I didn't install the beta on the iPhone because this is my primary device, so I cannot install all on betas on primary device, or else it break my phone because that's the only phone I own. So I rather don't do anything with it, but I can tell you what it's going to have in this new beta update. So the number one of this update is that when you unlock the phone, the first thing is the modem update. So it's modem. What does it mean, modem update? It means that if you scroll down here on the control center, and if you use mobile data, that means that you actually more other have give you better fast speeds, or they fix issue like 5G problems. Of course I'm using LTE right now, but I have very fast LTE speeds, which is good to know about it. Now, our Apple also released other updates like iPadOS 14.4, which I'll talk about in the next video. Oh, and of course, watchOS 7.3, which I have right here, but I'm not going to install it because it's my primary Apple Watch, so I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do a video on that. But I think maybe I will one day. Okay, and let's focus on iOS 14.4 beta 2. Oh, now of course iOS 14.4 beta 2 will have a build number, and it has the same build number as the iPad. So if I can show you, if I go to settings, I go to here, and then again I can go to focus it. I'm going to refocus my camera so you can get a better view about it. So we got 18D5043D, which is the same build number you can find on the iPhone as well. So what is this new feature about it? So we can go to general, and then we start from back to Bluetooth. And in Bluetooth, there's a selection, and when you see connected, when you click on the eye icon, they will show you whether it's using headphones, using earphones, or using the device. Of course, 14.3 you can see it, but you might see it in 14.4, which is also a good thing. But in the power version, I will tell you more about it, and if you have it in the future. Now the next one is that if you go to sound and active and headphone safety, if you're using this feature in 14.1 beta 2, they give you an option to about, okay, you're connecting to which device. Are you using for car stereo? Are you using for headphones? Are you using for earphones? Or using something else? I think there are 4 options, but I don't know what's the 4 of one. But this feature is very interesting, so I can tell you what to do with it, because everyone having some issues with the update saying that I cannot hear the voice, I cannot hear the music, it's not connected, the volume suddenly rise up without warning. And yeah, I think 14.4 beta 2 has fixed this issue. Now the next one is voice over a command. Now voice over command is, I don't use it, I can replicate how you use it, but if you don't use it, it's some kind of, maybe a coding system that allows you to like changing wallpaper or something. Maybe that's a new feature to tell you what to do on the iPhone. So those who use it, yeah, here there is. And the next one is talk about the issue that people are still facing, and that's the yellow tint and green tint issue. Now I don't know how to replicate the issue. I think the only thing you can replicate it is to turn on the phone and turn on a very dark area and switch on the phone, only you can notice it. Now, I don't have a very dark room, so I cannot even replicate the problem, unfortunately. But Apple will solve this issue with a software update, and we hope that Apple will do it. Now the next one is an issue that everyone's talked about, is that about the third-party issue. It was like fixing in your own products. I know everyone wants to have their own to fix their own stuff, but Apple still gonna do it. 14.4 beta 2, well, there is a notification if you install 14.2. If your camera is not genuine, they will say something around the area around here. They will saying that, okay, your camera is not working, or something that's not genuine, and you must go to Apple authorized store, or they will show a warning sign right here saying that it's not genuine. It's happened same as go to the battery. So what does it mean? That, okay, let's say you have 2 iPhones and you want to replace the, okay, this is genuine, I can just swap it into this is broken camera. It doesn't work. They have to be the same serial number. So I think Apple has to reprogram the serial number in order to do with it. So yeah, you have to get the first party, not third party, or maybe second party as well. Oh, and that's the issue for everyone. I know everyone has this issue, but yeah, you have to bear in mind that this is a very expensive phone. Change the back cover also costs $500. Yes. Now, of course, us should you install this 14.4 beta 2? Well, I would say it is a beta. You should wait for the public version. That's my advice. Guys. And if you want to install it, sure, go ahead. But if it's on primary device, no. Go to secondary device and install it and try and feel it, and so you can get the idea that, oh, this slow down my phone. Okay, then I'm not going to install on my primary device. Let's say that, oh, it's going to be fast. Yeah, maybe it's good on your phone. You can just install it. But my advice is no. I will not allow you to install it. You can try on private beta and developer beta on the iPhone or the iPad on your secondary device. But if you're doing an iPad and iPhone's primary and you say, okay, iPad secondary, yeah, sure, you can go it, but that's iPad OS, so it's different. So the feature what it has doesn't mean it has in the iPad OS. So please bear in mind that. So yeah, that's about it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.